All right, we're back. Time for unusual activity now. Albemarle shares have dropped by more than 20% this year. Options traders, though, betting on a move higher from these levels. The brothers Najarian are at the telestrator, and Doc, you are up first.
Exactly, Judge. Take a look right there. I know Josh and Mr. Francesa are happy to see that they might be able to get back in after this big slide. Why? Because they're buying calls, upside calls in Albemarle, ALB, 105 calls with the stock just below 100. Like that kind of activity. It's November, so it's only about 3 weeks out. So in other words, I'm going to hold this for probably 2 weeks, and the price I paid, if it cuts in half, I'll exit. But I like this one. I like the setup here, Scott. It's very similar to Facebook, Intel, Vulcan, all of those near 52-week lows, and then they made nice pops.
Okay.
Bang.
Pete?
I got a quickie for you on Coke. Now, this is an interesting one, Scott, because we've had activity in the past in this one, and actually that chart's not looking nearly as bad as what John was just pointing at. As a matter of fact, testing towards some of these highs right now. What we're seeing today is they're selling out of a position that was a winning position. November 44 calls, 15,000 of those were sold, but they're rolling up and out going out to February. The February 48 calls, take a look at this. 15,000 of these things trading. Pretty active, I'd say, absolutely aggressive, saying, you know what, Coca-Cola is ready to maybe break out to the upside, take a little bit of time. They'll give themselves all the way till February 2019. I like what we're seeing here. I own the stock. I owned it from the previous buying earlier in the year. I like what I'm seeing out of Coke, and obviously that earnings, everything they're doing, the organic growth, I think they're doing right now. Them and Pepsi are both competing very well against one another. I think Coca-Cola goes higher.